Yes, Akshara, you are. I think you are asking for this one. ठीक है? You are asking for the second example, ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, just wait a moment. Let me get it. Maybe it is wrong in the book. ठीक है? So let's count it. Let's come, children. I'm going to explain the second example of this. Yes. So I'm going to explain this one, second example. Here, it's a very large number. Now I'm going to write this very large number into a standard form. So for this, what we have to do, we have to count the we have to shift the decimal from right to left. Okay? Whenever we shift the decimal from right to left, the power of the 10 is always positive. Okay? And the power of the 10 is based upon the shifting of the decimal. So let's count the number of digits decimal. How many places we are shifting the decimal from right to left. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this is total 24. That's why we have to write power 24. Okay? We have put the decimal just until we will not get the single digit on the left hand side. So we have to put the decimal just after the 5. So till 5, how many decimal numbers are there? You have to, how many steps you have to move the decimal? You have to count these decimal places and then put the number on 10. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chapter number 2, Exponents and Powers. Exercise 2.2. Now I'm going to tell you what is the general form of scientific notation. General form of scientific notation. The general form of scientific notation is A into 10 to the power n. Okay? Where A is called what? Coefficient. A is called what? Coefficient. Okay? And the value of A is always equals to or greater than A. 1. The value of A is always equals to or greater than 1 and less than from 10. And less than from 10. It's clear? The value of the coefficient always be equal or greater than 1 and less than from 10. And n is what? N is an integer. N is an integer. Integer means in place of n, there should be any number. The number should be positive or negative also. Okay? Now, suppose let's see the example. If I write 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 24, it means what? The value of A is what? The value of A is 2.5. The value of A is what? 2.5. Okay, it is called the coefficient. And the value of n is minus 24. Clear? Is it clear or not? Now let's see, there are some rules to write the exponential form, to write any larger and smaller number in the exponential form. Let's see what are these rules. We always write the number like this. Suppose if I'm giving you a number, just take a number like this. Suppose it is 0 point, how many zeros in this question? 4 zeros and then 7. Okay, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. So put one more zero. Okay? Put one more zero. Now, how can we write this number in standard form? For this, you have to shift the decimal from left to right. Where you have to shift the decimal? You have to shift the
Left to
decimal
right.
left to right. ठीक है? And decimal, it should be after the one digit. One digit. The 7 is the single digit, excluding 0. So put the decimal and then write 0. ठीक है? So how many places you move the decimal from left to right? Count the number of places of decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है? So if shifting the decimal place left to right, 6. So and that's why you have to write 10 to the power 6. Now, if you move the decimal from left to right, the power is always negative. Okay? And if you shift the decimal from right to left, then power is always positive. So please keep it in your mind that whenever you're shifting the decimal from left to right, power is always negative. When you shift right to left, the power is always positive. Okay? Now, let's come to these are the some rules. Converting very small number from decimal notation to standard form. Proceed as under. Move the decimal point to the right till you get just one digit to the left of the decimal point. It means, suppose this is a number, okay? The decimal is over here and you have to shift this decimal just after the one digit and it should not be 0. So when you shift this decimal, now is it visible clearly, children? Is it visible? Who is unmuted, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
in this case, you have to shift the decimal just after the 2. You have to shift the decimal just after the 2. Okay? So, count how many, huh? Yes.
Ma'am, आपकी voice little bit crack हो रही थी बीच में.
Okay, okay. Actually, today I'm having some internet issue. That's why this problem is raising. Okay, बच्चे?
Ma'am, पर आ रही है.
Now, so to write this number in a standard form, we have to shift the decimal from this place to after 2. Okay? So how many places you are moving the decimal from left to right? Just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Total 7. Okay? You are moving the decimal from left to right 7 steps. That's why you have to write 10 to the power 7. And if you are moving the decimal from left to right, then the power should be negative. Okay? And you have to remove the zeros before 2 because these 0 has no meaning if we are putting before 2. Okay? So just removing all these zeros, your answer is 2.73 into 10 to the power minus 7. Now let's come to the next example. Here again, you have to put the decimal just after the 1 because where we have to put the decimal, we have to put the decimal just after the 1 digit. So when you put the decimal after the 1, so you have to shift the decimal from left to right. And how many decimal places you have to shift it? Just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means the power should be 10 of 10. Okay? We are shifting the decimal from left to right, then there is negative power. And remove all these zeros because they are having no value. So you have to write 1.576. You have to write only the numbers which is greater than 1. Okay? So remove all the zeros left inside of 1 and write it like this 1.576 into 10 to the power minus 10. My voice is breaking? Yes, Charu ma'am. Charu ma'am, you can unmute yourself. Charu ma'am.
Yes,
Kindly-
ma'am. Very.
Huh?
Jyoti ma'am.
Is there any problem?
Jyoti ma'am, am I
Huh?
audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, Jyoti ma'am. Yeah, chat is for everyone. Please make it with host only.
Okay, fine. Thank you for telling.
Okay.
And ma'am, the voice is breaking.
Your voice is also breaking in between.
Today I'm having some internet issue.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's come to the exam.
Me, ma'am, can you
हाँ
please
बेटा.
repeat? Ma'am,
Yes.
please can you repeat some scientific notation, because ma'am your voice was not clear and I was not able to hear it
Yes,
properly.
yes. I will solve many questions. Okay, don't get worried. I will explain many questions. Okay, same questions I'm explaining you again and again. So don't worry about it. Now let's come to the example number 1. Let's do this question. Now you have to convert this this is a very small number. Why it is called a very smaller number? When the decimal point is on the left hand side, then the number is smaller. If the decimal is on right hand side, then the number is larger. So only by seeing we can observe that this number is very small number. Okay? Because the decimal is on left hand side. It's clear? Only by seeing you can know that which number is larger and which one is smaller. Okay? So now how can we write this smaller number to the in standard form? For this, what we have to do? We have to shift this decimal just after the 5 according to the rule.
Left to right.
Right. We have to shift the decimal from left to right. Just after the 5, you have to put the decimal. Okay? Where you need to put the decimal? Just after the 5. Okay? So when you shift this decimal just after the 5, so how many places you have to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to move 7 places from left to right. Okay? That's why you have to put 7 power on 10. Okay? You have to put power 7 on 10. Now, we have to put minus or plus. It depends upon where you are shifting the decimal. If you are shifting the decimal from left to right, then power is negative. That's why the power of 10 is minus 7. Now, remove all the zeros left hand side of 5 because they are having no value. So, you have to write only 5.64 into 10 to the power minus 7. I hope it is clear. If you want to write a very small number into a standard form, you have to shift the decimal from left to right and count the number of places of shifting of decimals and then put the decimal. Okay? Okay, and remove the zeros which are written left hand side of that number. So 5.64 is called the coefficient and 10 to the power minus 7 is the integer number. Okay? Now, when why we have always take decimal just after the 1 digit? Why we always take only 1 digit before the decimal? Because it is called Mentissa. क्या कहलाता है? It is called Mentissa. MENTISSA. The number which is written just before or left hand side of the coefficient is called Mentissa. It is clear? Now am I audible? Today I'm having a lot of network issue, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you're audible.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Now let's come to the next question. I'm going to explain this third part also. The screen is visible? Is the screen visible? So
ma'am.
come to this one question, part 2. Now again we have. Yes, children. I'm back.
Ma'am, screen is visible.
Now screen is visible. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Now screen is visible.
Okay. Sorry, today you people are facing a lot of problem. But it is not in my hand. Sometimes I'm helpless. There is connectivity issue with them. Now let's come to this one. Now we have to shift the decimal from left to right just after the 2. Okay? So how many steps you have to move the decimal? Just count these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many steps you have moved? Move the decimal from
5, 6,
steps. Okay? That's why you have to put
7.
power 10, and now you have to put minus sign. Why you have to put minus sign? Because you are shifting decimal from left to right. Whenever you are shifting decimal from left to right, it should be negative power. It's clear? Please keep yourself mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, and write 2.1 only and remove all the zeros. Now let's come to the next question, next part of this, of the same question. Third part. Okay, this is the, now tell me, is it a larger number or a smaller number? Is it a larger number or smaller number? Please write in a chat box.
This is a larger number. Ma'am, larger number.
Why it is a larger number? Because there is no decimal. Okay, because there is no decimal.
Decimal.
That's a larger number.
And when there is decimal, the number is smaller.
Now there is no decimal. It means कि decimal is after the after the last digit. Okay, last digit is 0. It means decimal is after the last digit. It means here. Fine. Now what do you have to do? You always put the decimal just after the one digit. Okay, just until you will not get that one digit, you have to shift the decimal till here. Okay, so now you have to shift the decimal from right to left after 1. Okay, so how many steps you are moving to put the decimal from right to left? Just count the places of decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 places you are shifting the decimal from right to left. That's why we have to put 7 power on 10. We have to put 7 power on 10. Now here you are shifting the decimal from right to left. That's why power is positive. Now remove the zeros, only write the number which is 2.16 and remove all the zeros. Fine. So this is a standard form of this larger number. Is it clear or not? Now let's come to the fourth part. Am I audible? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aditya, kindly unmute yourself, beta. Aditya Sharma.
Ma'am, you are audible.
You are audible.
Now, Aditya, let's come to the fourth part. Now, is it a larger number, smaller number? Is it a larger number, smaller number?
Ma'am, I cannot understand. Can you please repeat? मैम जब समझ आता है तो वॉइस ब्रेक होने लग जाती है आपकी.
Don't worry. Yes, Ishika, it is a larger number because there is no decimal. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to put the decimal just after the one digit. The last one digit is what? 1. Okay. So we have to shift the decimal here after the 1. Now, but here there is no decimal. Decimal is at the end after the last 0. Where is decimal? Decimal is at the end after the 0. So it means we have to shift this decimal from here to this point. Okay. So how many places you have to shift? Count the places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means you have to shift decimal from right to left 7 places. Okay. That's why you have to write 7 as a power of 10. Here you are shifting the decimal from right to left. That's why the power is positive. If you shift the decimal left to right, then power is negative. If you shift the decimal from right to left, then power is positive. Now remove all the zeros. You are having with 1.524. You have to just write the 1.524 and remove the zeros. As you observe in all the examples, you have to ignore all the zeros. You have to write only numbers which are greater than 0. Fine. So now I'm writing here some example. I'm giving you one example, when you convert smaller number in standard form, okay? I'm repeating once again. If you want to convert smaller number into the standard form, then you have to, what do you have to do? Suppose I'm taking an example, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I write 6, 2, 4. Now, in this case, what do you have to do? In the first step, you have to write this number in the standard form like this, a into 10 to the power n. This is the general form to write any smaller or larger number in this form. A is what? A is the number which is greater or equal to 1. It means we don't need to write these zeros. We don't need to write these zeros. We have to write just number which is greater than 1 or equals to 1. So what we have to do? We have to write 624, and always we have to put the decimal just after the 1 digit. So now put the decimal here. Is it okay? So now coefficient A value you have written. Now it's time to write the power of 10. So how can you write the power of 10? It depends upon the moving the decimal places. So the decimal is here and you need to bring it just after the 6. Here you need to bring it this decimal after the 6. So how many steps you move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps this decimal moves. So you have to put 6 on 10 power on 10, and you are moving the decimal left to right. That's why the power is negative.
And that is 5, 6, 4, not 6 to 4.
The standard form of this number is 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 6. If it is clear, so please show your thumb. If it is clear, how many of you get understand how to write the smaller number in the standard form? Please show your thumb, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Please show your thumb if you get understood. Acha, raise your hand those who don't get understand. Who don't get understood, please raise your hand. Okay, Akshara, Ishika get understood? Not understood. Okay. I'm giving you one more example of the smaller number. Okay? One more example. Suppose 0.000. I'm taking only the smaller number this time. And take any number. You can take 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now you have to convert the smaller number into the standard form. Now what you have to do? Just write the numbers which is greater than 1. So tell me the number which is greater than 1. What is the coefficient of this number? Tell me, Akshara and Ishika. 2, 5, 6, 7. These numbers are greater than 1. Okay? Equals to 1. Now, we always need to put the decimal after the first digit. So you have to put the decimal after 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, how many? Now, write the 10. And now it's time to put the power of 10. What power comes? It depends upon the moving of the decimal places. So you have to bring this decimal here. You want to bring the decimal from left to right at this place. So how many places you are moving from left to right? Just count it. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places you are moving from left to right. There is minus power of 10. I hope it is clear, Ishika and Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
So kindly
Yes,
unmute.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now is it okay? How can you write the smaller number into the standard form? Whenever you need to write down,
Ma'am,
you A
ma'am,
means
can you please explain by giving one more example?
for example. I think it is this topic is little bit difficult for you. Now let's take another example. 0.0000169. Okay, if you want to write in a standard form, what do you have to write? You have to write the number which is equals to or greater than 1. So 169 is the coefficient. Okay. Now you have to put the decimal just after the 1 digit which is greater than 1. So you have to bring the decimal on this place. Fine. You have to bring the decimal here. Okay. So how many steps you have to move from left to right? How many steps?
5.
5. Just
Five.
count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means you have to write 10 to the power 5. You are shifting the decimal from left to right. It means you have to put minus over here. So this is your answer, and remove rest of the zeros. I hope it is clear now, Akshara.
Yes.
Now I'm going
Yes, ma'am.
how to write the larger number into the standard form. How to write larger number into standard form. Standard form. Okay. So what we have to do, let's see. Let's take any larger number. Suppose I'm taking 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. Any larger number you can take it. Okay. Now, how can you write down? The standard form of the any number is a into 10 to the power n. Now, this is the general form. Okay. Where a is what? A is the number which is equal or greater than 1. Okay. So a is the coefficient. So this is the number. The value of a is 216. Okay. And ignore the zeros. Ignore all the zeros. You have to take only numbers which are greater than 0. Okay. So 216 is the coefficient. Now we have to write the power of 10. Okay. So you can see that there is no decimal. It means decimal is at last. Decimal is at last. So it means you have to shift this decimal from right to left, and after the 1. Okay, you have to bring the decimal here. So how many steps you have to move from right to left? Count the places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Excuse me, ma'am, you are not audible.
The time is over, beta. Now end of the meeting. Rest of all, I will explain in the next class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,